Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel auction chat series where we discuss Land Rovers and Range Rovers currently at auction in the States that are able to buy. So if you're interested in any of these vehicles, reach out and we can see if we can set something up for you. So this particular one is the theme of this discussion is everybody wants L322s and LR3s again. A lot of new Land Rover potential buyers are trying to wet their feet into this wonderful world. And these are the first ones they encounter, LR3s and L322s. And this particular one appeals to me because it's a Honda dealer trade-in, two-owner, 94,000 miles, black Tennessee rust-free truck. It kind of stood out because most of the ones we see are pretty garbage and they have a lot of miles. So anything under 100,000 miles is not suspiciously low, but that's... You know, that car is 16 years old, plus, maybe? Shoot, 2006? Yeah, that's like, yeah, it's old. And not that many miles, but clear headlights, good tires, black. Don't hate black if it's clean. I don't even see any paint fade, which these usually have paint fade on the flat surfaces, but if it was owned for the full time in Tennessee, you're not getting baked in that Florida or California sun. Like I said, clear headlights, decent paint. Tires look good, everything's complete, all the trim and whatnot. So I haven't thought about considering an LR3 in a while. I'm like, yeah, this one looks pretty good. Even has the original plate on it, so feel free to run that tag number and look up a Carfax. But it says two owners. And like I said, they can't frontline this vehicle at a Honda dealership, so that's going right to auction. They probably traded it in recently. The brakes look good. The wheels don't look scuffed up or anything like that. It's sitting correctly on the air suspension. The fuel tank protector isn't rusted out. The frame looks good. The hitch area looks good, free of rust. The exhaust is still shiny, and the tag, I mean, the cats and everything look original. So, you know, all in all, a tidy little package. No interior pics, but it runs today around 10 o'clock. So, you know, I'm interested to see what it goes for because, you know, this would be a good entry into that LR3, L322 world. So I'll just scroll through some of the other offerings throughout the country. Not much going on that is worthwhile. Everything here looks pretty rough, a lot of miles. There was a P38 with 10 owners, which, you know, is kind of par for the course, a bunch of garbage LR2s. So really nothing else worthy of talking about. So LR3 it is. I wish there was a few more interesting colors or L322s in the area, but, you know, prices are definitely starting to come down. But, you know, they're just not getting traded in as much just because it's such an old vehicle at this point. You know, people aren't really trading them in because they're less in service and more of an enthusiast pick these days. Yeah, that's it. We'll catch you in the next one.